The moon, silent, barren, lifeless, or so we thought. But what if it's hiding something essential for life? Something once believed impossible. Water. And here's the twist. That water may be forming thanks to the sun itself. Yes, the blazing sphere that scorches the moon every day might secretly be helping to create the very element that sustains life. How is that even possible? Let's start with the sun, constantly spewing a stream of high-energy particles into space, a phenomenon we call the solar wind. This solar wind consists mostly of protons, which are simply hydrogen nuclei traveling at speeds of over 1 million miles per hour. Earth is protected from this barrage by its magnetic field and atmosphere, but the moon, it has neither. That means solar wind hits the lunar surface directly, bombarding the moon's dusty outer layer, called regolith, every second of every day. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Lunar regolith isn't just inert dust. It contains oxygen bound tightly within silicate and oxide minerals. So when a solar proton, a hydrogen atom, crashes into this surface and finds oxygen, something incredible happens. It can form hydroxyl, OH, or even water molecules, H2O, right there on the moon. This reaction doesn't need Earth's atmosphere or pressure or even heat. It happens through pure chemistry, driven by solar energy alone. In 2009, NASA's moon mineralogy mapper aboard India's Chandrayaan-1 orbiter made headlines. It detected widespread signs of hydroxyl in water on the moon's surface. A stunning discovery. These weren't ancient ice deposits. These were molecules forming in real time and vanishing just as fast. And it turned out the regions that got more solar exposure actually had more hydroxyl. The sun wasn't destroying the water, it was helping to create it. But there's a challenge. These newly formed water molecules don't stick around long. With no atmosphere to hold them, they evaporate quickly under the sun's heat. That's why scientists believe some of this water migrates, drifting across the surface, until it reaches cold, permanently shadowed regions at the moon's poles. In these deep craters, where sunlight never touches and temperatures plunge below -230 degrees Celsius, water molecules can freeze and stay preserved for billions of years. This isn't just a fun fact. For future missions, like NASA's Artemis program, aiming to establish a long-term presence on the moon, water is everything. It means oxygen to breathe, hydrogen to create rocket fuel, and, most importantly, independence from Earth. Imagine future astronauts extracting water from lunar soil, using it to drink, to grow plants, or to launch from the moon to Mars. All of it made possible by solar wind, a cosmic resource, silent, invisible, yet full of potential. So the next time you gaze at the moon, don't just see a dusty, lifeless rock. See a celestial body still evolving, a place where water is born from sunlight and stone, a place where solar wind, once considered a cosmic hazard, may be the key to our future in space. Who would have thought? The sun, creator of heat and fire, might also be the silent architect of life's most essential element, even on a dead world like the moon. And this is only the beginning of what lies hidden beyond Earth.